Welcome to Redsprite Technologies, where we transform complex business challenges into intelligent automation solutions. Today, we're showcasing our Resume Data Aggregator, a complete ETL pipeline that revolutionizes talent acquisition through AI-powered resume processing. At its core, our system is built on a sophisticated ETL architecture that seamlessly handles the entire resume processing workflow. First, extract. We parse PDF and docx resumes using advanced natural language processing with Spacy, extracting key information like skills, experience, and contact details. But we don't stop there. Our transformation layer then takes this raw data and applies intelligent standardization, normalizing location names, categorizing skills into relevant technology stacks, and calculating meaningful experience metrics. The real magic happens in our enrichment phase, where our proprietary AI algorithms analyze each candidate's skill set, compute weighted relevance scores based on market demand, and even predict competitive salary ranges using machine learning models trained on industry data. Finally, everything flows into our optimized relational database with carefully designed relationships that enable lightning-fast queries and comprehensive analytics. The user interface makes complex data simple. HR teams get a comprehensive dashboard with real-time insights into their talent pool. Our dashboard immediately shows you what matters most, how many candidates you're working with, what skills are most prevalent in your pipeline, average qualification scores, and geographic distribution of your talent pool. When you need to process new resumes, simply drag and drop files directly into the interface and watch as our AI engine extracts and processes everything in real time, automatically updating your candidate database with enriched profiles. The search functionality is where our system truly shines. You can filter candidates by years of experience, specific technical skills, location preferences, and salary expectations, with results displaying each candidate's top skills right in the search results so you can make quick decisions. Our advanced analytics section provide interactive visualizations that reveal hiring trends, skill gaps, and market insights that drive strategic decisions. The business impact is transformative and immediate. What traditionally took HR teams 15 to 20 minutes per resume, now happens in under 30 seconds with 95% accuracy. This isn't just a tool. It's a competitive advantage. This is what Redsprite delivers. We don't just build software, we engineer business transformation. Whether you need customer data platforms, inventory optimization systems, financial analytics dashboards, or AI-powered automation, we turn your data chaos into competitive advantage. Ready to see what intelligent automation can do for your business? Contact Redsprite Technologies today and let's discuss how we can build your next breakthrough solution. Visit us at redsprite.ai. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated on the latest in data and technology.